I am Lisa. Welcome to Lollipop Box Club. Today I have the January Forever Dreaming kit unboxing. I'm filming it slightly different today. I've made some changes to the kits for this year. I'm really excited. I've got quite a few plans for the year and changes taking place. This is the start of the changes. I was really excited to show you the new improved kit, but actually I've decided that for my loyal subscribers I want to keep the surprise for you. So I've opened the kit, and that's why you've got a pushed back image right now of you, because I want to keep it a surprise for you. So I'm going to unbox right here. I'm not going to be opening any of the packages, and I'm just going to give you a little feel of what's to come next week. So as always, there's a mystery gift. Let's pop that over to one side because that's a surprise. I can, however, show you this clip here. This is the handmade planner clip, and it's really cute. Look at that, and it's sparkly, and she's fast asleep. So you can obviously use these as embellishments as well. You don't have to use them as a planner clip. They are pretty versatile. We have a bag of treats here. I did a bit of a feedback kind of session in the group chat recently, just before Christmas. I'll leave a link below. The group chat's a really nice place to swap ideas and just chat and show how you've used the kit, see how others have used the kits. And it's a really nice group of ladies, so I'll leave the link below. But I did want to know what were your favourite things about the kit. What were you not so fussed with? Did you read the blog? That kind of thing. And it's a really good way to improve the kits if I know exactly what you enjoy. One of the things which surprised me, had a lot of people saying that the treat bags were their favourite item in the kit. It really did surprise me. I would have thought it would have been the stamps or the stickers or something like that, but it was the treat bags. So I was really pleased to hear that. So again, I'm not going to show you what's in here because it's a surprise. We have something else which is cute, but I'm not going to give you any details of what's in there. There is a roll of washi tape though, and the washi tape colours do vary this month. There's yellow, blue and green. They are available as an add-on. I will link up for the add-ons below. I need to post those still, link them up. They're just a few extra bits from the kits. Some people like to share them with their children or with their grandchildren, so they like to buy a few extra pieces. So if you did want another one of these packets, and if you did order 2 or 3, I would make sure that you have different colour washi each time. I'm collaborating with the lovely Daisy this month. You may know Daisy from My Green Cow. I will also link her up below. And Daisy has made the DIY kit for this month. Thank you very much, Daisy. There will be a video to come showing you how to use this kit. This month we have this exclusive Dream Big stamp, exclusive for Lollipop Box Club, which I absolutely love. I've been using this on projects already, and you can see those on the blog. And I've also been using this lovely cloud stencil. I'm so happy with this. You may have seen, if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, I did a tiny mini, I think it was like a 6-second video or something, just using texture paste through the mask in my journal. It just works so well. I love doing that. Beautiful planning stickers here. Tash will be designing our sticker sheets. Every month now they'll be exclusive to us, so every month you will have a sheet of stickers to coordinate with your kit. We've been having these for a little while, but I hadn't actually spoken to Tash about doing them every single month, but I love them so much. I think they're a great addition to the kit, and she's kindly agreed, so you will see these every month now. We have, of course, a lollipop. We have an exclusive Forever Dreaming pen, exclusive to Lollipop Box Club, and the new papers, or let's start that again. New for 2018, we are going to be having exclusive patterned papers. These papers are designed just for us, and newly we are going to be packaging them like this rather than clipping them together. I will show you the printables this month. I've got a set of them here. We have note paper. As a subscriber, you will also receive a code for free, so you can download these. To everybody else, they are available to download on the website. This is the weekly planner. These are the pattern papers. These aren't available to download, but you can purchase extra as an add-on. Spotted paper, cloudy paper, rainbows, grid paper, and Forever Dreaming. Love these. You can also download the embellishment postcard, and I'm also adding in some really cute note paper for this kit as well. And there's the postcard. So that gives you a good feeling of what's to come this month without seeing absolutely everything. There's still lots of surprises for you, and it's a really, really fun kit this month. I hope you're excited. They will be packed this weekend and ready to send on Wednesday. I'll leave a link below if you would like to purchase a kit. Subscriptions are open until the 16th of January, where you can purchase this kit at a discounted price. If you have any questions, please do ask. Thank you very much, and I will see you very soon. Bye.